Alright, hopefully this video will be able to show the issue that I'm having with this one chair. It's reclining right now, and then when I go to close it, it won't close all the way. It gets hung up right about there, and as you can see, the headrests aren't lining up because it's not all the way upright, and then where your feet go is also not getting pushed in all the way. You can see in relation to the other chairs what I'm talking about. And then also, upon close inspection, this material seems to be different than the material the other chairs are made of. So it makes me wonder if this top piece is actually the bonded leather, and it was just mistakenly included in the box. It's the only thing I can think of right now. So, hopefully we can get this taken care of.